Hello, my name is Michael Webb, and in this tutorial we are going to be creating a virtual machine using Oracle's VirtualBox. On the virtual machine we will be installing an ISO image of Windows Server 2010 Datacenter. Once you open up VirtualBox, you'll go to New. We're going to name this Server A. We're going to save it on our external drive and server A file. We want to change this to Windows 2016 64-bit. We want to run this up to 4 gigs. And we want to create a virtual hard disk. I'm going to create. Just leave the settings VDI. File location is given here in server A on our external drive. And we're going to leave it at 50 gigs. That should be plenty of memory. We will create. Once we do that, we will right click, go to settings, go to storage. Here we want to take our hard drive and we want to move it down to SATA 2 port, and here we want to choose our ISO image of server 2016 Datacenter. Okay, and then simply hit start. We get several messages from our VirtualBox. Just to exit out, nothing important. And here we are. We want to install our English language, time and currency English, keyboard input English, US, install. And our setup is beginning. Alright, here it's asking for our activation code for our software. So here we will enter and then we'll next. Alright, now it's asking us which architecture we would like to install of our 64-bit software. We have one that is a core and that will come with nothing but PowerShell and DOS. So we want a GUI interface, a graphical user interface, just like your host computer has. So we'll want to go to the desktop experience. This is an option that was not available on 2012 R2, so it's nice to have the option, especially if you want to save some space. You would want to choose the one without the desktop, without the GUI, graphical user interface. Here we want to accept our license and terms. Here we do not want to upgrade. We want to install a custom clean version to our virtual computer. Here it tells us the space we have allocated, so we'll just hit next. And Windows will begin copying and get us ready for our fresh install. Alright, we're at 95%. 100%. Now we'll install features, updates, and as long as we don't get any error messages, we will be good. Now it will do a restart. We don't need to do anything. When you get your Windows icon, that means everything's good. Windows will do another restart. We'll get a blue screen and our customized settings. And for this tutorial, I'm doing this for a class, so I have a password that was instructed to me. Let's see if I remember it correctly. Nope, looks right. Okay, finish. It'll finalize our settings and begin to set up our user files. Alright, now our server manager dashboard has loaded. This gives you the availability to manage all servers. You can add roles, create groups, but for now I'm just going to click out. There we are. Okay. Alright. We have server A as our full computer name. And we have successfully installed a virtual machine using Oracle's VirtualBox and installed Windows Server 2016 Datacenter with its product ID. And the last thing that we will do is take a snapshot of our machine. Hit OK. And there we are. Exit that out. And we have, again, my name is Michael Samuel Webb, and this tutorial has been on creating a virtual machine using VirtualBox provided by Oracle 6.0 and loading an ISO image of Windows Server 2016 Datacenter. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed. Hope I did everything correctly as instructed, and you have a good day.